Today we're going to take a quick look at this air duster brought to you by Wolfbox. This is the MegaFlow200, and they did compensate me to make this video, and they also were kind enough to send me a replacement battery for this unit as well, so I could show you that. So let's take a look at what comes in the box, and then I'll show you how it works, and I get a little sample video just to show you how powerful this unit is. So first of all, you do get the air duster itself, and it comes with 4 different nozzles. Those are easy to pop on and off. Just give them a little twist that back on. So depending on what you're using this for, if you're cleaning out your AC unit, your electronics, your leaves, your snow, an air mattress, you can air up an air mattress with this thing, so you can test one of these nozzles and see which one is the best for you. You'll also get a couple of little brushes here to help out get that grime out of your keyboard or electronics. You get the charge cable, you get the bag, and the information. Now, once again, they did send me the replacement battery, which is very easy to replace. So while you're using this one, you could be charging the second one, and when you're ready to change it, you press this battery button here and just pull that out, and then you slide your other one in. Now, to turn this unit on, you just press the power button, and this is going to tell you what mode it's on. So it has 3 different modes. You just press it and see which one you want. The 1 dot is the least powerful, the 3 dot is the most powerful, and you can adjust them from there. Now, to get this to work, there's a fan icon here. You just press this button. I'm going to put it on the 1, and then you can hear how loud that is. I'll put it on the 2, and I'll put it on the 3, and then I'll show you these. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear that very well, but the 3 is very, very powerful. So it just pulls air in here, the outlet goes there, and you'll always know because it has this little indentation where the nozzles go. So very easy to operate and very powerful. Let's take a look at it in action. I'm about 10 feet away from this curtain, so you can see here I am blowing this curtain and it's moving at 10 feet away. And then I try it on this crumpled up piece of paper. No chance. Try it on this box with some packing material in it. No chance. And even try it on this tape measure, which has texture on it, and keeping it onto the table. So I try it on there, and then I flip it over and try it as well, and it moves it both times. So if you're looking for a very powerful air duster for whatever reason, once again, indoor, outdoor, your leaves, your air conditioning unit, whatever that looks like for you, this thing will do it. It's a good quality build, excellent in your hand, feels great, easy to hold on to, and yeah, it does the trick. So I hope this gives you a good idea what comes in the box, how it works, and I definitely recommend picking up that second battery just so you have it when you need it. Hope this helps.